Hey there, food industry pros. Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is shaking up our plates from farm to table? Today I'm diving into how AI is revolutionizing every bite we take. Let's get started. First up, we have the future of farming. AI's role in optimizing agriculture is nothing short of groundbreaking. With predictive analytics, AI can analyze weather patterns, soil conditions, and historical data to predict crop yields. This helps farmers allocate resources more efficiently. Imagine precision farming with AI-powered drones and robots. They handle targeted pesticide applications, precision irrigation, and real-time crop monitoring. It's all about increasing efficiency and reducing waste. And let's not forget livestock management. AI monitors animal health, optimizes feeding schedules, and improves breeding strategies. Better efficiency and animal welfare all around. Next, let's talk about the revolution in food production. Automated food processing is now a reality thanks to AI-powered robotics. Tasks like sorting, packaging, and quality control are now streamlined, boosting speed and consistency. When it comes to food safety and quality control, AI algorithms are game changers. They detect contamination, analyze ingredient quality, and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Now picture this: personalized nutrition. AI-powered apps analyze your dietary preferences, health data, and food sensitivities to offer personalized nutrition recommendations. Moving on to the kitchen, AI is transforming the way we cook and eat. Think smart appliances like ovens and refrigerators that learn your cooking preferences, monitor ingredient expiration dates, and suggest recipes. Virtual chefs are another cool innovation. AI-powered recipe generators and cooking assistants provide personalized meal plans and step-by-step cooking instructions. Plus, AI-powered food delivery services cater to individual dietary needs and preferences. Personalized food experiences, anyone? But we can't ignore the ethical implications of AI in food. On one hand, AI has the potential to address global food security and accessibility. But there are concerns about inequalities in access to these technologies. AI also promotes environmental sustainability by encouraging sustainable farming practices and reducing food waste. However, there's the potential impact of automation on employment in the food industry. It's essential to adapt and retrain workers to meet these changes. Lastly, let's take a glimpse into the AI-powered world of the future. Imagine food printing, using 3D printers to create customized, nutrient-rich food with AI-powered recipes. Personalized nutrition plans from AI-powered health apps will help manage chronic diseases and provide dietary recommendations. And AI-powered systems can predict food demand, reducing food waste at all stages of the supply chain. So there you have it. AI is truly revolutionizing our plates from farm to table. The future of food is here, and it's powered by AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and food.